Happy New Year, everybody. Today I'm sharing how I'm planning my year 2025 and how you can use this free worksheet template to crush your goals this year. Whether you're a software engineer like myself, a creative, or anybody who is just looking to stay on track, this plan can help you crush your goals this year. Now, the main takeaway is by the end of the year, what do you want to be known as? Maybe you're an accountant now, but by the end of the year, you want to be known as a DevOps engineer. Now, use this goal to plan your year. You may not have an elaborate 52-week plan, but you can start with a 12-week plan and build on it as the year progresses. Now, this year, my goal is to be known more as a software engineer and as a musician. And you can see that I've broken down my goal into career, which is software engineering, content creation, academic, music, and personal growth. In terms of software, for example, I'm known more as a front-end engineer than a back-end engineer. So a lot of my studies this year in terms of software engineering will be more focused on my back-end engineering skills. Now here is how the template works. So we have the weeks of the year lined out up to 52, and then we have the different categories that you want to focus on for the year. So as an example, for mine, I have career, software engineering, academic, content creation, music, business, life, and other, which is learning a language. So for each week, you have a high level overview of what you want to achieve for the week. And you can look at it on, let's say, Sunday and know what you want to achieve for the week. And then at the end of the week, you review to know if you were able to achieve your goals. Now, this is my template for the year. And you can see we are in week 2. And week 2, I have record YouTube video 1 on planning for the year. And this is the current video I'm recording. And like I said, I'm focusing on backend concepts. So you can see database, indexing, and optimization basics. You can download the template for free in the description below. Feel free to tweak it to your ambitions, change the headers. You can use ChatGPT or any other AI to generate examples of things for you to do and just follow along. Let me know in the comments if you like the template and how you are planning your year. Planning is the key to achieving your dreams, and I hope that you are able to crush your goals in 2025. See you in the next video.